What is up, everybody? How's it going? How's it going? If you watched the other video with all this stuff, you'll know why you're here. The surprise. The cool people over at Super Clean have offered me the chance to do a giveaway with some of their products. Obviously, the products that I have lined out. We're gonna make this my 200 subscriber special. So as I'm making this video today, I think I have 175. So I'm gonna leave maybe tomorrow, hopefully. No, probably the next couple days is gonna be up. So if that number changes, you know, YouTube things. But the nice people, again, at Super Clean, we're doing a giveaway. 2 people. First place gets a bottle of the foaming spray cleaner, which if you watch the other video, I'll have a card up in the top somewhere here for that. Works hilariously good, and it's very satisfying to watch because it's foaming. And also a bottle of the original heavy duty clean all the shit that you need to clean stuff. The wheel cleaner and the absorbent are, because they're awesome, they sent it to me, and I'm very grateful for them because obviously, again, watch the other video how well this stuff works. Both the wheel cleaner and this this stuff and the spraying, like these 2 things I think are exactly the same. Just this you can cut depending on what you're using it for, and this is foam, so obviously you cannot cut it because it's aerosolized. It sprays very nicely, whatever. But first place, again, will win a bottle of the original clean and the foam sprayer, and I highly recommend, if you don't win, or if you do win and you just want more of it, definitely the wheel cleaner is so good. So good. Again, watch that video, go look at the wheels, how dirty they were, how clean they were with 0 work. And the floor absorbent I haven't had to use yet because I haven't gotten anything on the floor. Hopefully that stays that way, but if not, I am prepared. So that's first place. Bottle of the original, bottle of the foaming. Second place, we'll get a hat. A nice Super Clean hat. I don't wear them, so I don't have one to show you because I didn't get sent one because I didn't want it because I don't wear hats. But I'll put a picture somewhere. I'll see if they'll send me a picture of one. And I think there's 2 different colors, but well, I don't know. Whoever wins will get that. So now into the formalities of the thing. Because this is going to be my 200 subscriber special, or giveaway, whatever you want to call it, I have to reach 200 subscribers. So, if you want to be entered, 3 things you've got to do. Super simple. 1, subscribe to my YouTube, down below. Scroll down, hit the like button while you're there, hit the notification bell so you know when I'm posting more fun things. And subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, because always fun things over there. More daily posts, more just junk posts, and not junk, but more fun on the Instagram, more concurrent, whatever. And you've got to go follow Super Clean. Their YouTube will be linked in the description below. Make sure to go follow them. It's me from the future. Now, I said you still have to do the subscribe to me, subscribe to Super Clean, and follow my Instagram. But to make it so you can actually win, because I'm not that smart and I forgot this, you have to comment down below. Below in the comment section of this video, leave a comment. I don't care what it is. Your favorite color. Do you like this purple? Anything you want. You can leave your Instagram down. That will make things way simpler for me to check, you know. But you do have to comment down below, or else I have no way of... Actually, I might have a way. But either way, comment down below, so it's a lot easier for me to pick a winner. And you can get some of these very nice products from this very nice company. And back to the past. Make sure to buy some stuff from them because they are so good. I mean, just like, I'm not even just saying that because they sent this stuff to me, but because it actually is really good. Like I said, go watch the other video. If you don't believe me, just spray this stuff on, spray that stuff on, spray it off with water, and it all came off with absolutely no work, and it looks great. I absolutely love it. Oh, having cleaner that works so well, and I don't know, being sent to me by a cool company is awesome. So again, big thank you to Super Clean. Yeah, so first place again, you get a bottle of the heavy duty original cleaner and a bottle of the spray. second place will get a hat. So if you really like hats, or if you really like cleaning your thing, you should enter. Again, just follow me on YouTube, follow Super Clean on YouTube, and follow me on the Instagram. I will leave all the links to my socials in the description below, as they always are. Again, big thank you to Super Clean for the products and the opportunity to do a giveaway for you people who watch these things. It's super nice of them. Obviously something they don't have to do, but again, thank you very much. So make sure, again, check the description below for their website. Go get some stuff if you need it. It's really, really good products. Make sure to follow, subscribe, do all the fun things. Yeah, and when I hit 200K, not 200K, when I hit 200K, that'll be awesome. But when I hit 200, I'm going to do probably a live stream for it, so I can, you can see me actually choose a winner and, make it real, so I'm not just picking one of my friends, the thing that everyone says it's all rigged or whatever. I'll do a live stream. Again, the link to that will be in the description below, but that'll be probably a couple weeks before that happens, hopefully. As soon as you see this, hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends. If you've got some car people that need some products, share it with them. Or if you just want some heavy-duty cleaner because that's your thing. Who knows? Check it out. Yeah, that's it. Thank you again to Super Clean for the products and the fun little giveaway. And I'll see y'all later. Make sure to click the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Peace.